Hello sellers, welcome to the another video. So recently I got the comments on my YouTube video कि आप लोग UK क्यों जा रहे हो? Why you are going to the UK? Why you are not giving the exam into the India? So UK क्यों जा रहे हैं? Because UK is a good option for the rating backgrounds. Those who are coming from the GP rating background, for them UK is the best option. Why? Because in India, if someone wants to give the exam from the rating background, first we need to complete our NCV, then we need to go for a foreign going vessels exam. So entire process will take at least 2 years to pass the exam and get the COC. Compared to the UK में if someone is going for an exam from the rating background for the class 4 exam, to complete entire exam we need only 1 year. Within 1 year we can complete the entire exam and we will get our COC. That is the one reason. The second reason is in India I think 6 writtens and the 4 orals for the class 4 exam. Into the UK we need to give only 4 writtens and only 1 oral. That is the biggest reason why we are going to the UK. For the TME, those who wants to give the exam from the UK, they need to give only 1 written exam and only 1 oral. That's it. They will get the class 4 COC. Those who are from the TME background, those who are having the engineering background, they need to give only 1 written exam and 1 oral. Once they clear these 2, they will get the COC. And of course for the GP rating background, UK is the best option to clear the exam within 1 year. So that's why we are going to the UK. Of course UK is quite expensive than India, because in UK we need to spend at least 13 to 14 lakhs to get the COC. And in India of course it is much more lesser than that. Nowadays DG shipping has started for the deck. Those who are sailing on the deck from the GP rating background, they can give the exam from the India also. Now recently they have started this system. So I hope those who are going to the UK for the second officer exam, soon they will come to the India for the exam. And I hope they will start something for the engine also very soon. So this is the reason why we are going to the UK. Anything else, if you feel that why we are going to the UK, why not India, then please do comment. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.